Trey. I'm going to sing Thinking About You by Frank Ocean, and I hope you like it. Okay, here goes. A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears before they fall when I'm thinking about you. You know I don't know. If I'm thinking about you, you know I don't know. I'm thinking about you. Do you think about me? See you? Do ya? Do ya? Do you not think so far ahead? I've been thinking about forever. Ooh, and do you not think so far ahead? I'm thinking about forever. Ooh, yes, of course. I remember, how could I forget how you feel? You know you were my first time, a new feel. And it will never get old, not in my soul, not in my spirit, keep it alive. We'll go down this road till it turns from color to black and white. Do you not think so far ahead? I'm thinking about forever, ever.